Hello YouTube friends. I wanted to show you what I did with my new Kate Spade Jacquard AirPods case, and this is something that I was hoping would work, and it worked perfectly, exactly as I wanted it to. Super easy. This is going to be a short video. So I recently bought this little Kate Spade pouch. It's Jacquard fabric with leather on the bottom, leather around here. And what does it remind you of? It kind of reminds me of the Gucci Ophedia key case, and I've been pining for that, but I'm not going to spend that amount. So this was normally, I think, $78 retail, and then it went on sale. I got it for, I think, $33, which is still a lot for a little fabric case, but I wanted to show you what I did to it. So it zips all the way down, and then it has I'll show you what it looked like before. Take these off of here. So it has a little strap that also comes off, and if you wanted to, you can clip this onto your bag, and that way you'd know where your AirPods are. So what I thought of doing is just to this little ring, clipping a second little snap ring. And they have these on Amazon in all different colors. You can get gold, you can get silver, but I chose a little silver one because the Kate Spade usually uses like I think it's like a champagne gold color. So sometimes it reads more gold, but usually it reads more silver. And I think this is that color. I don't think it's silver. It has a little yellowish hint, but the silver works really well with it. So I got a pack of these from Amazon, and I'll try and link it below, but they're just little snap rings in all different sizes, and I like these because they're so easy to take on and off. So I used my keys that I need to have out all the time. This is a remote for my garage door opener, and this is my house key. And then inside here I have, it actually fits really good. I just have it kind of wonky now. I have my other keys. This is my remote for my car, and then a couple other house keys for my mom's house. And I used another little snap ring to keep them together. But I don't need the fob. I just need the fob with me for my car. I don't ever really need to take it out. And see, it fits in there. I don't know if you can see that. It fits in there just perfectly. And you've got little gussets on the side so nothing falls out. But if you wanted to use it for like your AirPods, this is for AirPods regular or Pro, it fits perfectly as well. So you can do kind of multiple things with this. I want to see if let's see if the hand sanitizer would fit. Oh, that fits perfectly too. So you can have a lot of different things that you do with this pouch, and you can, if you want to snap on keys on the end, you can, but I really wanted it to protect my fob because I don't want a button being accidentally pushed while it's in my purse. So that just tucks right in there and closes right up again. And you have a little wristlet strap. So it worked out exactly as I planned. Let me give you the dimensions. Because from what I saw, I think this is a little bit smaller than the Gucci one by maybe even an inch. But this is a perfect size because it fits in all my bags, even my tiniest bags. So this is about 3.5 by 2.25. And then the depth of it is just 1 inch, a little bit over an inch. So anyhow, that's how to hack this little AirPods case from Kate Spade and make it into a key pouch. And it's so versatile, you could put lots of different things inside, but I am very happy I got this. I think it's well worth what I paid. I don't think I would pay $78 for it. I mean, it does have leather on it, and it's a nice thick jacquard, but it's not coated canvas or anything. It's just the jacquard in the Spade print. I think it's really pretty. Just a classic design. So I hope that helps some of you. If you're looking for a good alternative to the Gucci key pouch, this is a great one. Highly recommend it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.